you into nostalgia today. Well, in your childhood, who hasn't seen Shakalaka Boom Boom? There was a little boy who, with his magical pencil, could draw whatever he wanted to. And with his magical pencil, he drew a beautiful fairy. And he fell in love with this beautiful fairy on the sets of Ek Rishta Sajidari Ka. And on the other hand, this young, beautiful fairy came all the way for him from Shimla. And she's also been an electronic engineer, and she has adorned the crown of Miss Shimla. And now she's gone on to doing some successful shows like Dil Dhoonta Hai and Ek Rishta Sajidari Ka. So ladies and gentlemen, today's episode is a chapter out of a fairy tale. The little boy of Shakalaka Boom Boom, Kinshuk Vaidya, and his beautiful fairy, Shivya Patania. Please welcome them. Thank you so much, guys, for gracing us. I got to know last night that you really like the show.
I love it. I have watched every episode, and yeah, I've loved it.
And yeah, she's been very excited to come here and talk to you and
How sweet.
tell everyone more about us. And
I'm sure I can see she's this chirpy, bubbly, talkative
Yeah.
girl.
yeah.
So I'm really happy. I'm going to get to know you both through this journey. Thank you for gracing Showbiz with Barbies.
Thank you for having us here.
Yeah, it's our pleasure. Like,
How sweet. So, Kinshuk, tell me, what is that magic potion you use to not age?
okay, I'll have to tell my secret now. Basically, it's the most important thing is to be happy from inside. Like, you know, whatever you do, you should be happy. And I think I've been happy since childhood because of all the love that everyone has showered me
How
with. So I
sweet.
think
I
that keeps
agree.
me young and keeps me going.
That's nice. I agree. I really agree on that tip. Because, you know, we've been watching you since Shakalaka Boom Boom and you don't seem to age.
And trust me, like, you know, I can't describe that feeling when, like, you know, someone tells me, ki, yaar, you have been such an integral part of my childhood. Like, you know, it feels so nice. Ki, okay, theek hai, yaar. Like, you know, I feel like Tom and Jerry, like, you know, such an integral part of
How
everyone's childhood.
sweet.
Like, yeah.
But tell me one thing. With your that magic pencil, did you just draw a beautiful fairy?
To be frank, I didn't draw with magic pencil, and definitely it's my karma and good deeds that
So sweet.
he has sent her for me.
But what else would you wish to draw? What else did you wish for?
One thing I would like to just
And
highlight.
how many of those things have come true?
Okay, what I have wished for. Basically, Shakalaka was my journey from, like, you know, earlier I did acting as a hobby when I was a kid. But during Shakalaka was my time of revelation when I decided कि okay, life में कुछ career करना है तो इसी line में करना है, whether it's direction or whatever. And then I didn't end up doing direction, filmmaking. I wanted to go for filmmaking courses, but I didn't end up
Oh,
doing
okay.
that because then I thought it's too much of studies, and I think creativity can never be taught to you. So it's definitely, like, you know, it's
I
your
think वो
experience.
acting का कीड़ा
हाँ,
जब आ जाता है,
तो
तो आ जाता है.
Yeah.
And what about you, Shivya? How is your journey been in Bombay?
Being in Bombay, like there's this one quote that my father keeps on telling me कि पढ़ी वकालत बेचा तेल देखो किस्मत का खेल. I'm an engineer. Then I did a pageant and I won Miss Shimla.
Yes, I was
Yes.
just going to come to that. Engineer, she's won Miss Shimla, and
Then
now an actress.
then I was an RJ.
Then
I
an
did-
RJ, that we don't know about.
Yeah, I was an intern. I was about to. They placed me in Shimla, but I was like, I don't want to be in Shimla.
But she'll do well, no? She talks so much. I think
Oh, yeah,
she'll
I
do very
think-
well
I
as an
think
RJ.
that's-
And today I'm giving him all the time so he can speak. So that's how I did this internship in RJ, and then I auditioned in Shimla and I got selected. They called me and they said that you have to come for the look test to Mumbai, and I was like, I am not coming. मेरे parents मना करे मैं नहीं आ सकती हूँ. They were like कि no, come. So I came here and like touchwood में 2 दिन के कपड़े लेकर आई थी, but Mumbai didn't let me go, and I'm
Wow.
here like 3 years in Mumbai and I'm happy.
That's awesome. Touch wood. That's really great thing. This is the charm of the city.
Yeah.
लेकिन तुम एक बात बताओ, तुमने बचपन में शाकाला का बूम बूम देखा कि नहीं?
I was coming there. I was going to ask that. Captain Vyom तो देखती थी, बच्चों को
तुमने
क्या क्या
वो
बनाना
तो
पेंसिल
देखा,
देती थी कि नहीं?
लेकिन did you see शाकाला का बूम बूम?
लाइक हमारे घर पे वहाँ क्या होता था, हमारी मॉम्स जो है वो ये बोलती थी कि पहले अपना होमवर्क खत्म करो, होमवर्क खत्म होगा तो हम शाकाला का बूम बूम देखने देंगे।
Oh
तो
my God.
होमवर्क खत्म करते थे और फिर हम शाकाला का बूम बूम देखते थे और हम वो सारी पेंसिल्स खरीदते थे कि यार हम कुछ ड्रॉ करेंगे। तो मैं बट आई नेवर थॉट दैट क्यूट चबी किड will be my boyfriend.
I know. Did you ever think he would be your dream boy? Did you dream of him that time?
I did not because you know it
She
was
was
like
dreaming of Captain Vyom. Sorry.
no because ये तो सोचा था मैंने बहुत दूर है यार शायद it will
सोचा
not
ही नहीं वो
happen.
कभी मिलेंगे, लेकिन the roads would ever meet. You know?
Yeah,
I know,
he was
look at
busy with
destiny.
someone else in the show. I was like
In the show.
Go.
Yeah,
In the
I know
show,
she
no.
specified.
in the show he was busy with someone else.
Okay, but
यार बच्चे थे हम तभी, what busy यार.
तो बच्चे थे मतलब
Friends.
बच्चों शो में आप बिजी कर देते हो एक दूसरे के साथ. That's bad.
कोई बात नहीं, but destiny made you all meet.
Yeah, of course.
And imagine she did watch your show, so
Yeah, I
that's
know.
lovely.
Yeah, like everyone is crazy. Like my friends, they call me and say, "You are dating him?" No, we want to meet him.
अभी ये ऐसे बोल रही है, but I'll tell you, इसका जो first reaction था, she later on confessed, like you know, once we got to know each other and
जो
we
show
had
खत्म
moved
होने
ahead,
वाला
and
था,
yeah,
उसके
show was
बाद।
about to end, एक रिश्ता was gonna end. She said, पता है first day जब ऐसे किसी ने बोला कि यार ये वो शाकालाका वगैरह वाला है, and you were busy on the phone. I looked at him, and I'm like, shit, ऐसे नहीं देख सकती, co-star है.
No, what happened was it was a look test. So he was standing with me. So I was like, okay, होगा कोई, ठीक है, actor है कोई, मैं भी तो वहीं पे हूँ. So there was this casting director थी, वो थी this guy, he was the shakalaka boom boom guy. So I looked at him like this. I was like, no.
Co-star है, नहीं देख सकती
You
इसे.
can't be like.
She'll get nervous.
No,
Oh my
and
God.
You can't be like, you are not going to show that आपने इसका show देखा है. You are not going to say anything. You are going to be like this. And the whole time, मतलब जब तक वो खत्म नहीं हुआ
So
था.
she
I
was
standing
trying to
like
be all
this.
composed,
हाँ,
which
कि
she's
yeah,
not actually.
even I'm an actress.
But tell me one thing, now that acting has become a profession, so I'm sure you must have seen a lot of success even during Shakalaka Boom Boom. How has it been? Did life change?
फर्स्ट लाइक मैं तो डर जाता था कि यार बाहर कैसे जाओ, मेरे को वॉशरूम जाना है यार, मैं पूरे टाइम क्लास में बैठा था, वॉशरूम जाना है कैसे जाओ, जगह ही नहीं है जाने को वगैरह, तो वो सब था. बट या इट फेल्ट गुड. फर्स्ट आई वाज लिटिल स्कैर्ड कि ओके क्या हो रहा है, अचानक से क्या होने लग गया, बट देन आई गॉट लिटिल यूज्ड टू इट. आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग इट मोर ओवर एंड या.
But I'm sure not many out here know how did you become an actor at the age
Yeah.
of 4? So you must recite that story to everyone.
Okay, the story goes like, you know, when I was 4 years old and it was Makar Sankranti, so I was flying kite and as a kid I was just running all over the terrace in our building and there was this one uncle who caught hold of me and he was like, you know, बेटा तुम्हारी मूंछ क्यों नहीं है? And I said, मेरी मूंछ थी पर मैंने पापा को दे दी. And then he was just surprised. So he asked me, acting करेगा? I asked him, what? वो क्या होता है? Like, I didn't know.
4 साल
हाँ. Like वो क्या होता है? Like TV में आएगा? तो मैंने कहा हाँ आना है मेरे को TV में. So basically then we came to know कि he was the producer for a Marathi film who had come to one of our neighbors. He was our neighbor was an editor for a Marathi film. So that's where he picked me up and then my first project happened which was Sunayati Ghara, which was a Marathi film.
That's lovely.
Yeah, and then there was no looking back. Like, you know, then I went on with ads and then I did Raju Chacha. Then I did one more Marathi film, Dhangar Dinga. I did Vishnu Puran with BR Films. I did Ramayan, mythology as a kid. So that time I didn't even know how to read Hindi. So my mom used to read lines for me and I used to remember it. And that was all Kintu, Parantu, Mata Shri,
Yeah,
Pita Shri,
imagine.
Kadapi ye nahi kar paunga and all those kind of
Wow.
things. So I had to remember all those things. So yeah, and then Shakalaka happened. So even before Shakalaka, all these things I had done. And
Lovely. You were just destined.
Yeah.
4 साल की उम्र में imagine flying kites and then your career is soaring. Next thing.
Sometimes I say like, you know, it's been 22 years I've been acting and they're just like, how old are you then? like बचपन से पैदा होते ही
That's
करना
why I
start
said
कर
वो
दे.
magic potion का है. That doesn't make
Yeah.
you age.
Yeah.
But now.
Please give me.
Don't worry. तुम बहुत प्यारी लगती हो. Don't say like that.
You're very cute.
Oh. I have a question for both of you. Well, since both of you are extremely fond of each other and Kinshuk has special love for fast cars, so let me ask you, if you two were given an opportunity to go for a fun ride on a magical car, then where would you go?
We'll
So
go
I think
बादलों
then
के देश में. So I want to tell you this. So he treats me like a baby. So he keeps on वो मतलब जैसे बच्चों को लोरी सुनाते हैं ना या स्टोरी, तो he keeps on हमेशा the story starts with तो बादलों के देश में. So we go to a बादलों के देश में. So we'll go to a
हाँ,
बादलों.
so it's a magical car, so we can actually go to Badal
Badal
again.
ke
Wow, that's cute. That's a
But
different
if it's a
answer.
real location, then I think I would like to take her to Paris because she's been crazy
Yeah.
about Paris since childhood.
Wow. And I'm sure someday that will happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a great answer. बादलों के देश
बादलों
में.
के देश में. Imagine.
So I'm going to get a little more up close and personal now with both of you and get into another segment,
Okay.
which is called the skeleton check.
Okay.
Okay, so it's something about you, and we look into your cupboard to find something interesting.
Okay.
Okay. So Kinshuk,
Hmm.
tell me one thing. How long does Shivya take to decide on what she's going to wear, and has she ever tested your tolerance?
It was tested yesterday itself.
क्यों क्या हुआ कल?
बाप रे, मतलब
Imagine what's his reaction.
क्या हुआ?
क्या
हाँ,
हुआ कल?
बता, be honest.
मतलब if she's not in a good mood ना, so she might take 2-3 hours, वो भी कम है ready होने के लिए. But if she's in good mood, she'll get ready in 15-20 minutes also because she knows what she wants to wear. But कितना भी अच्छा तुम dress हो, कुछ भी ले आओ, कुछ भी पहना दो, इसको mood अच्छा नहीं है ना, घटिया है, बेकार है. So that's the day. Yesterday was one of those days, and like you know, we had to go somewhere. We ended up not going there because we were late then.
Okay.
So-
I think I knew it.
No, that was yesterday morning. सुबह की बात है ये. Yesterday morning.
Okay. And Shivya, how organized is Kinshuk's cupboard, and what is the most precious thing in his cupboard?
मतलब इतनी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, सो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड कि मतलब आई कांट इवन टेल यू, एक एक चीज़ इतनी परफेक्टली रखी होती है कि मुझे शर्म आ जाती है. मुझे लगता है यार शिव, यू आर अ गर्ल, यू शुड ऑल्सो लर्न समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस. एंड द मोस्ट प्रेशियस थिंग इज़ जब मतलब 4 साल से ये काम कर रहे हैं, है ना, तो वो सारी सीरीज, वो सारी जो
Oh yeah, I have a big drawer वो in my room, in my cupboard basically, where there are all
Your work
cutouts.
profile?
There are all cutouts and all those articles
we all
since I was
have
a kid.
that,
Yeah. All fan
yeah.
mails, like you know, that time people used to write actual mails and post it to you.
So
अब तो
nice.
Instagram और ये सब आ गया, but I have those mails.
तुम बात करते हो,
बहुत।
मुझे लगता है पता नहीं कौन से ज़माने की बात करो, मैं बहुत ही ऐसे सॉरी सर.
नहीं ठीक है, 10 साल में काफी बदल गया है
Very good.
ज़माना.
I'm sure. Keep it
Yeah.
close to your heart.
Yeah,
yeah.
and it's so beautiful to see all of that, and the magic pencil also.
Yeah, I have the
He has a
magic
magic
pencil.
How
pencil, original
sweet.
one that
How
I'll take.
sweet. Yeah. You got the fairy.
Yeah.
Anyway,
I'll take
now
now. You
next
don't
question.
make anything else.
You are an Aries and Shivya is a Leo. So both of you all are fire signs, and fire signs are supposed to be very hot-headed. So do you guys fight, and how do you make up?
See, fire, I think fire is something if used properly can cook food for you, and if used
Sweet.
destructively it can just burn the whole world down. So I think we try to cook food.
How sweet. What a lovely answer.
Yeah, it was a very lovely answer. Like, I'll remember this next time because I don't know.
चेप देना कहीं फिर अगली बार.
कहीं पे
अब
तो
ये तो पूरी जिंदगी तुम्हें सुनना पड़ेगा.
किसी Instagram post में भी I can use because I did not know this stuff.
Okay.
मुझे लगता है मैं जलाती हूँ
Shivya, you're a true blood Punjabi who loves rajma, parathas, and bhangra. So tell me how Kinshuk is able to survive all that. Or does he join in with you?
He joins with me because starting में तो मतलब जब अब we were starting में तो he used to you don't enjoy?
I do.
The reaction was not that.
When I'm smiling, I do enjoy.
No, I make him enjoy. You won't even believe that. I अपने last time हिंदी या कोई English song कब सुना है?
जब तुम गाड़ी में नहीं होती हो.
हाँ. मतलब if I am there, I am gonna listen to all the Punjabi songs and then I'm gonna do this play pause. इसका मतलब ये है. Play pause. So he's like sometimes he's irritated, but you enjoy, right?
Yeah.
What's the latest song that I like?
मैं तेरा हूँ बलड गोरी, तू बैकबोन जटनी.
जटनी.
Whatever. चटनी. जटनी.
Chutney. So it
Chutney,
happens.
chutney.
He keeps on saying Jatni.
एक सेकंड मुझसे पंजाबी बुलवा दी, इससे मराठी बुलवाओ.
Okay, come
Oh
on.
God, there's
Yeah,
just
go
another
for it. उसने कितनी मराठी सीखी? Let's
See,
listen.
there's one poem that I have learned. Like I know. येरे पाऊसा तुला देतो पैसा, पैसा झाला खोटा, पाऊस झाला मोठा.
Oh.
और
तुम्हारे जो टीचर है ना बहुत बढ़िया टीचर है जिसने भी सिखाया
She passed the test more than you, huh?
I was a teacher, I have taught her that.
I know that.
You can't say this.
Okay, one more test for you, okay?
Okay.
Shivya has 7 Mausis. So can you name at least 4 of them? And
आप लोगों को पता है?
I
अरे आप लोगों ने फोन किया है इसके साथ ये सेट किया हुआ है यार.
maybe this is showbiz with
Oh my God, how do you know this? But no one knows that. That's one thing. None of my fan knows
So
about
let's
it.
see, yeah, we can name 4 Mausis.
नीता मासी, गीता मासी, बबली मासी, बेबी मासी, गुड्डू मासी is her mom, and then
ठीक है, 4. You passed the test.
yeah, I've
anyways.
passed the test.
Great.
I know.
वाह. See?
Imagine. And you know what? This is a test. जिस लड़के को जो दामाद है, जो whosoever boyfriend, whosoever fiance, अगर उसे सारी मासियों के और मामू के नाम याद है ना, he's the perfect guy.
Yay,
You
that
passed
he
the
is. There's no doubt.
मेरे
on
पापा
it.
को भी याद नहीं है.
And
You
what
are
about
an
you,
inspiration.
Kinshuk?
about
Do
me?
you like Shivya's character Ravi in Dil Dhunta Hai?
To be frank, like even before her, I had heard about the show and what the concept is, and I came home and I told her कि Shivya, there's this production house who's making a show like this. उसमें जो लड़की है ना, वो बस तुम हो. जो पागल पंजाबी पूरा तड़कता फड़कता पागल पंजाबी मतलब बिंदास लाइक कुछ
बिंदास
सोचती नहीं है
baby,
बिंदास
choppy.
वाला हाँ
हाँ.
वैसे carefree girl, and I think that's exactly what Shivya is जो रावी है.
So cute.
So I
That's
like
true.
the character.
Well, anyway, let's get into another segment called the confession box.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a quick fire open heart surgery confession box. But don't worry, you're all safe. Okay.
Okay.
So
Oh.
Kinshuk, tell me, how old were you when you had your first crush?
First crush, to be very frank, I was very small, and my first crush was Ariel. Ariel was the mermaid जो Disney पे आती थी, like and I still tell her कि मुझे वो hairstyle बहुत पसंद थी Ariel की.
Okay. Anyway, let's make this quick. What is the thing that irritates you most about Kinshuk and why?
He's too sweet. When I'm angry,
Eh?
when I'm angry, even then he's like this, that, and I'm like, no, please, अभी मुझसे बात मत करो. 5 मिनट मुझे space चाहिए. 5 मिनट के बाद सब मैं भूल जाती हूँ. But नहीं. फिर मेरे थोड़ी देर बाद मुझे लगता है how rude I am. So, like,
Ah, so he puts you in a guilt trip. It's so
yeah.
sweet.
मतलब ये कभी गलत होता ही नहीं है.
Okay. And Kinshuk,
चलो
you.
कहीं तो इसने आज accept कर दिया.
ये नहीं बोला था. होते
Okay.
होते.
Good, good. You'll always
हाँ.
remember showbiz with Arvind. Well, anyway, Kinshuk, Shivya is so full of energy and full of beans. So does that ever wear you out, or you can handle her energy?
No, in fact, she supplies some energy to me also. She gives me energy, and
Cheeks
she
you up.
gets that. Yeah.
चाहे वो रास्ते में हमारे पंजाब में या हिमाचल में गाड़ी रोक के बाहर नाचते हैं, यहाँ पे कोई नाचता नहीं है. क्लब्स में जाते हैं सारे खड़े हो जाते हैं. मैंने कहा कौन खड़ा होता है यार. लाइक अभी हम हैदराबाद गए थे तो वहाँ पे डीजे अकील थे, तो हमने 6 घंटे वहाँ पे पंजाबी गाने बजाए. हैदराबाद में यू आर डांसिंग ऑन पंजाबी सॉन्ग विद सम
वो भी
अदर
किसी और के पार्टी में
मुझे
किसी और के पार्टी में बजा रहे
So
थे.
not
great.
like
She,
that.
in fact, she's like sunshine in your life.
Yes, 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 absolutely.
I'm sure she's this little Miss Sunshine.
She's the sunshine, I'm the jadoo.
Oh.
Jadoo.
Wish there was an app that caught every little thing about our partner and told us everything about his or her favorite things. Life would be much easier. However, we are lucky to have a health app like Health for You, which keeps medical help a few fingertips away. Download the app and get a chance to win an autographed mug by your favorite celebrities Kinshuk Vaidya and Shivya Patania. Health for You, truly yours. What is that song that brings tears to your eyes and it reminds you of Kinshuk?
अरे यार किस्मत बड़ा सेंटी. हाँ किस्मत बदल दी वेखी मैं जग बदलदा वेखिया. किस्मत बदल दी वेखी मैं जग बदलदा वेखिया. सब कुछ बदल गया मेरा, सब कुछ बदल गया मेरा. जे हुण तू भी बदल गया मैं ते मर ही जावांगी. Like, yeah. So you better
You're
take
giving me
care.
goosebumps. I love this song. Okay, I think now we've become very senti.
Yeah, let's.
So let's get into a more fun zone and let's play some games.
Yeah.
Let's just lighten the atmosphere. So this game is called How Many, okay?
Okay.
So now we have 3 jars. One is filled with toffees, another is filled with marbles, and the third is filled with menthols. So you have to look at it and guess how many toffees, marbles, and menthols are in the jars.
Okay.
3 jars, so each one of you gets 3 chances to guess. After you have guessed, we will count the number, and the one who has guessed the nearest to the actual more times will be declared the winner. There's also a hamper, so you
Wow.
got to be really competitive about this. So guys, should we start?
Yeah.
Yes. This is not maths. This is tukka. जब options आते थे ना जो तुक्के तुमने
Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
let's start. Let's
yes,
start.
yes.
It's a very beautiful hamper.
Yeah.
Okay.
come on.
Okay, so who goes first?
Me?
So all 3 we have to do, na?
Yes, you get 3 chances,
Yeah.
and all 3. And who wants to go first?
You can start.
Okay, कुछ बोला ही नहीं.
I'm just
The marbles. Okay.
Wow. ऐसे पता लगता है? I'm just.
What is your number? What do you think?
Number तो बताओ.
I
सबका same number
सबका,
नहीं है?
सबका देख के बता देंगे. Oh God. This is 50. This is 45.
Okay. And the toffees?
40.
Okay.
So my chance.
Just specify. You're
Yeah.
saying this for the menthol.
Yeah. For menthol it is 30.
30. Okay. This is exciting.
This is around 35.
The toffees, he's
The
saying
toffees is 35. And
the marbles?
40.
40.
40 marbles.
Okay, that's one turn. So you guys get 3 turns, right?
No, we are okay with one turn. We have one take contest. So.
Oh my god, really? You sure?
You sure? तुम बोलो तुम्हें चाहिए?
I'm sure about my maths and my guessing.
हाँ engineer है ये.
Okay.
Please don't say that.
Okay, so you guys are okay with one turn?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a gamble. So let's see. Let's have a look now.
Okay, so should we count?
Let's see. Okay, so I think now we have counted the jars and we have a clear-cut winner. Sorry, Kinshuk, because she said, she was very close to the number. The marbles are 49, the toffees are 40, and the menthol is 40.
Yay!
Women power!
Yay! Because I'm gonna
Girl
get it.
power.
I'm gonna take it away from her, whatever it is. Whatever I
अरे,
like only. बाकी
दोनों
जो
share
तुम्हारा.
कर देना.
हाँ, exactly.
But yay, proud of you,
Yay!
girl.
Thank you,
Yes.
my engineering teachers.
Thank you.
Here's a beautiful hamper. Wishing you a good health and a good life.
Yeah.
I hope you like it.
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
I'm so excited.
Okay, take it.
But on that note, guys,
Yeah.
tell me one thing, one serious question. What is your health culture?
So, because मेरी मम्मी जी आई थी और उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारा घी खिलाया and I have gained weight. So my trainer, my teacher और मेरी health का ध्यान रखने वाला is Kinshuk. So he wakes me up in the morning. We go to the gym and we do functional, we do yoga, and the most important thing is your diet. I can't eat paranthas, a lot of paranthas.
No. I would like to jump in over here. Like, my tip or my principle that I follow is eat everything that you feel like eating, because eating boiled food and all, hardly you will do it for 1 week, 2 weeks, you will be up with it and
True.
you will give up
Eat
eating.
moderately, huh.
So eat whatever you want to eat, but eat at right times. Like if you want to eat paratha, you need to know, okay, you can eat it for breakfast and not for dinner. Eat heavy dinners. I think you should avoid that. So
we
it's very
can have
simple.
paranthas
In breakfast
mein.
without the ghee.
And one more question. How important is your smartphone in your daily life?
I just told that I stalk people, so I need apps. No, it's important because newspapers just have shooting time. You can't read, you can't know about a lot of things. So we know about it from because of our phones and because of all the new apps, and you can stalk people.
And you?
For me, basically, my smartphone is it's not my life support kind of thing, but it is a convenience, because as she said, like you get all your news and know whatever is happening in your palm. If you miss out on some TV shows, movies, or everything,
Yeah.
so it's all in your hand nowadays. Like,
And we
so
will watch Showbiz with Babis
Yes,
on
you
Hey,
can watch
you
shows,
man,
Babis. So I need my smartphone.
Yes.
And you do video calling also.
Yeah, we do video calling when.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. And that calls for a centric selfie moment.
Okay.
Let's get some nice selfies. So now we're almost coming to the end of the show. So let's get into a deadly finale.
Okay.
Well, you guys have played a very intensely romantic couple. You all have been paired opposite each other. So I'm sure you all have, said a lot of romantic lines to each other. So why don't you guys mouth some romantic lines for us?
The one line which from my life I had taken it in the show and which I also believe in is basically Aryan always quoted himself by saying कि किसी महान आदमी ने कहा है. So it goes like किसी महान आदमी ने कहा है कि कोई भी चीज़ करने का सिर्फ एक सही वक्त होता है, वो है अब.
Aww.
So तुम्हारी लाइफ में वाइफ की क्या वैल्यू है?
अरे वाइफ कोई म्यूचुअल फंड है क्या जिसकी कोई वैल्यू? वाइफ होती है.
तुम्हें पता है मेरे पापा ना मेरी मम्मी के साथ पकौड़े तलते हैं, वो भी अपने हाथों से.
मेरे पापा मेरे मम्मी को आइसक्रीम खिलाते हैं, वो भी अपने हाथों से, लेकिन सबसे छुप कर. So basically this was the first
cute.
This was the first mock
first
shoot.
scene mock shoot that we read together and
So
we did it.
cute.
So this was the first scene that we read together, so we remember it by heart.
Aww,
So,
this is
yeah.
seriously so
It was
cute. Thank you so much, guys, for adding your cuteness and your positive vibes to Showbiz with Barbies.
Thank you so much. It was our pleasure, like coming here, talking about us, getting a little nostalgic, and hope to see you soon again.
And one more thing I want to give you guys before you all part ways. This is for Kinshuk and you. It's a 1-year organic supply from the Bombay Natural Company.
Yay! And both
Wow.
of us.
Kinshuk, you can make her even more healthy now.
Hannah, thank you so much.
And more
Thank you so
younger?
much.
No,
What?
younger.
Younger
Baby,
no,
तू
you.
भी.
Me?
तुम्हारे लिए
Yeah.
बोल रहे. So we'll share it, no?
No, you can take it. I will have the hamper.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
guys.
you.
Waiting to see you again.
Yeah, hope to see you again soon.
See you.
And we enjoyed a lot.
Thank
you so much.
Yes.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye bye.
We started in '97 with a Fiat dealership, like I mentioned. We've represented Ford, Honda, currently Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and Triumph motorcycles. In all these spaces, we have created our mark. We have become the larger player. We have offset people who were over 100 years in the business. Who were 3 times our size. I guess we've grown. We have put in steps. We've put in procedures which made us grow. Of course, my team helped me do that. Being competitive, I guess this is the result. So we reach faster, we reach the customer with immediate, as soon as he beckons. We are there to help him at all stages of his buying decision. I guess that's what helps us grow. When Ashish first mentioned that they are planning something like that, my immediate reaction was yes, we'll do it. We did not talk about costs, we did not talk about how it will happen. Just the concept itself was so appealing that I immediately said yes. All the other modalities, I guess, worked out later. For us, it is a great association. Of course, India Wikimedia is very strong in their platform. Their digital promotions have been superb. We are very happy with what has come out of this. The target audience, yes, the people watching the show are certainly a very important base to connect with. In today's age, it's all about digital, and I guess this is the best way to reach out to a large audience. How do you build a brand that becomes so synonymous with what you sell? You have to be present everywhere, you have to be seen, you have to be the name that people speak of. For this, I guess reaching out to a larger audience, having tie-ups which are actually giving you a lot more awareness, they become synonymous with your name. Those are steps I guess we need to take, and this association with India Wikimedia is, I think, a step in that direction. Thank you India Wikimedia for giving us this platform to be associated, to reach out to so many people. It has been a pleasure being your brand partner for this. We look forward to many more events, and all the best.
Like everything, all good things come to an end. We've come to the finale of our first season of our show, Showbiz with Barbies. It was fun meeting the glitterati of television. They are no different than you and me under their skin. I had a lot of fun doing masti, gupshup, probing, dancing, and enjoying with all of them. I will miss being with all of them, and I will miss bringing them to you. But I will be back with many, many more such joyous stars on the second season of Showbiz with Bhabis. Bye until we meet again very soon. Love you guys. Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box 8. Order food online.